Have you ever seen the northern lights and wondered what causes them? Well, keep watching to find out. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, starts some 93 million miles away on the surface of the sun with a massive explosion of electromagnetic matter called a coronal mass ejectionis, and it is these particles that interact with the Earth's magnetic field. But what's that mean? The sun continuously emits a stream of charged particles, known as the solar wind, into space. And our Earth has a magnetic field that acts as a shield, deflecting most of the solar wind particles. However, some of the solar wind particles are directed towards the Earth's poles along the magnetic field lines. These particles then collide with the atoms in the upper atmosphere, made up of primarily oxygen and nitrogen. The collisions cause the atoms to become excited, meaning their electrons jump to higher energy levels. When the atoms return to their normal energy level, they release the excess energy in the form of light. The color of the aurora depends on the type of atom and the altitude at which the collision occurs. For example, oxygen at higher altitudes typically produces red and green light. Nitrogen at lower altitudes typically produces blue, purple, and pink light. The intensity and frequency of the aurora depend on the strength and activity of the solar wind, which follows an 11-year cycle. During periods of high solar activity, the auroras can be more intense and visible at lower latitudes. Hit like and subscribe for more awesome content.